Hello everyone, welcome to my Harvard CS50P final project presentation, Fair Trade Allocation Optimizer. Let's start with the problem statement. Fairly distributing financial trades across multiple client accounts is a complex and crucial task in the derivatives industry, as discrepancies can lead to financial implications and client dissatisfaction. Our Fair Trade Allocation Optimizer specifically designed to tackle this real-world financial challenge effectively. Now on our solution. First, we need two CSV file, trade, and account as input. In this example, the trade file has 20 trades with various trade price and quantity. On the account file, these trades needs to allocate to 3 accounts. Now, to run the program, we simply execute the Python script project.py from the terminal, adding the trade and account CSV files as arguments. Hit enter and voila! The program processes the result almost instantly. On the output, first it shows the total average price from the 20 trades, 1004.44. Average price deviation is 0 in this case, which indicates a perfect fair allocation. The next section shows the breakdown of the trade allocations to achieve the fair allocation. As you can see, it would be very difficult to do this manually. On the last section, it will show the outcome per account, and all 3 accounts achieve the same average price with 0 price deviation. In this program, we have also built exception management to validate data from both CSV files, alerting user on the error with explicit message. Some common errors like invalid numeric data, non-numeric data will be blocked up front by the program. Let me show you some examples. For this run, I will inject an error trade file to show you the error alert, as you can see on my command line argument. In this instance, the program raises a value error on the trade file, informing invalid numeric data 20.5. Checking the error trade file, there is indeed 20.5 on the trade quantity, which is invalid as it should be whole number instead. Let's try another example. This time round, I will inject an account file. From the account file, value error was raised with A123 captured as non-numeric data. Again, this is correctly blocked as A123 was appearing on account quantity column. We have come to the end of my presentation on the Fair Trade Allocation Optimizer. I hope this demonstration has illustrated its capability to solve the complex challenge of fair trade allocation. Thank you for your time.